G'day, Mitchell. Hello, Susie. It's an honour to be talking to you from the beautiful Princess Theatre, where we have the chance to continue the most loved Harry Potter story for hundreds of fans and muggles alike from all over Australia. Applaudio! Silencio! Oh, not a bad spell. Now, it is my sincere pleasure to share with you just a taste of this incredible company. Direct from the beating heart of Melbourne's East End Theatre District and from the minds and, dare I say, magical mix of Jack Thorne, John Tiffany and J.K. Rowling, ladies and gentlemen, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child.
Hello, I'm Scorpius, Malfoy.
Oh, I'm...
Albus Potter, I know.
How do you...
Would you like some of my fizzing whispies?
Oh,
I've also got some chocolate choc pepper imps and some jelly slugs. It's Mum's idea. She says, sweets, they always help you make friends. Stupid idea, probably.
No, not a stupid idea.
Well, I have to say it's very nice to meet you, Albus Potter!
Albus Potter!
A Potter in our year!
Oh, he's got his hair! He's got hair just like him!
I've done this job for centuries. On every student's head I've sat. Of thoughts, I take inventories, for I'm the famous sorting hat. Scorpius Malfoy. Slytherin.
Well, that makes sense!
Albus Potter. Slytherin.
Slytherin?
Whoa, a Potter in Slytherin?
You can stand next to me!
Right, yes. I am just asking you, Dad, if you'll stand a little away from me.
It's just people looking. Okay, people look, and they're looking at me, not you.
At Harry Potter and his Slytherin son.
Here is your permission form for Hogsmeade.
I hate Hogsmeade.
How can you hate a place you haven't actually visited yet?
Because I know it'll be full of Hogwarts students.
Just give it a go. Come on, Albus, this is your chance to go nuts and honeydukes without your mum knowing. No, Albus, don't you dare!
Incendio!
Of all the stupid things...
The ironic thing is, I didn't expect it to work. I'm terrible at that spell. I got to go. Train to catch, friend to find. And now we add... Is it Horn of Bicorn?
He's really not like Harry Potter at all, is he?
With just a little salamander blood.
Okay, what's the counter ingredient? What do we need to change?
Everything.
What?